Hi everyone, I am G. Raj Prakash of EC Department of Visual System Technology, BMR, and I am going to explain what is logistic regression means, and you guys are going to learn something new and you may feel good for this video.
Actually, logistic regression is used to solve the classification problems. So, it's called a classification algorithm that models the probability of output class. It is classification problem where your target element is categorical. Unlike in linear regression, in logistic regression, the output requires is presented to discrete values like binary 0 and 1. It estimates relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variable where dependent variable is categorical nominal. Coming to here, the learning logistic regression model, consider a scenario where we need to classify whether a patient has diabetes or not. If we use linear regression for this problem, there is a need for setting up a threshold based on which classification can be done. So, if the actual class is malignant, predictor continuous value is 0.3 and the threshold value is 0.6, the data point will be classified as not malignant, which can lead to serious consequence in real time. For this example, it can be inferred that linear regression is not suitable for classification problem. Linear regression is unbounded, and this brings logistic regression into picture. Their value strictly ranges from 0 to 1. Comparing the linear probability model and logistic regression model, as linear regression is unbounded, it's not useful to solve classification problems. So, this is where logistic regression comes into picture. Types of logistic regression. There are three types of logistic regressions: binary logistic regression, multinomial logistic regression, and ordinal logistic regression. For the model to be % accurate one, we need to calculate and find out few parameters of the algorithm in order to check how accurate our binary logistic regression model is. Now let's see what is binary logistic regression. Logistic regression is an extension of simple linear regression where the dependent variable is dichotomous or binary in nature. We cannot use simple linear regression. Logistic regression is a statistical technique used to predict the relationship between predictors and a predicted variable where the independent variable is binary. There must be two or more independent variables or predictors for a logistic regression. The predictors can be continuous or categorical. All predictors variables are tested in one block to assess their predictivity ability while controlling for the effects of our other predictors in the model. Multinomial logistic regression. In statistics, multinomial logistic regression is a classification method that generalizes logistic regression to multi-class problems, that is, with more than two possible discrete outcomes. That's it. It is a model that is used to predict the probabilities of the different possible outcomes of a categorical distributed dependent variable, given a set of independent variables, which may be real valued, binary valued, or categorical valued. This can make it difficult to compare different treatments of the subject in different tests. The article on logistic regression presents a number of equivalent formulations. Ordinal logistic regression. In statistics, the ordinal logistic regression model, that is a regression model for ordinal dependent variables, first considered by Peter McGooley. For example, if one question on the survey is to be answered by choice among poor, fair, good, and excellent based on factors like individual's country, gender, age, etc. In the given case study, individuals' perceptions can take the following three values: too little, about right, too much. In the following figure, you can see there are three types of chilies: hot, hotter, hottest. All these are based on the categories.
Hi everyone, I am Sajid and I am from EC Department National Institute of Technology, BMR, and I am going to explain about logistic regression and applications of logistic regression. Logistic regression is used in various fields including machine learning, most medical fields, and social sciences. For example, the trauma and injury severity score, which is known as TRISS, which is widely used to predict mortality in injured patients, was originally developed by Boedi. Using logistic regression, many other medical scales used to assess severity of patient have been developed using logistic regression. The logistic regression may be used in predict the risk of developing a given disease. Example, diabetes, coronary heart disease, based on observed characteristics of patient, age, result of various blood tests. Another example might be predict whether a Nepalese voter will vote Nepali Congress or Communist Party or Nepal or any other party based on age, income. The technique can be also used in engineering, especially for predicting the probability of failure of a given process, system or product. It is also used in customers' propensity to purchase a product of halt under subscription. In economics, it can be used to predict the likelihood of persons choosing to be in the labor force. And a business application would be to predict the livelihood of some owner defaulting on a mortgage. Conditional random fields, an extension of logistic regression to sequential data, are used in natural language processing.
Now let us look into exceptions of logistic regression. Logistic regression does not make many of the key exceptions of linear regression and general linear models that are based on ordinary least squares algorithms, particularly recording linearity, normality, homoscedasticity, and measurement level. Firstly, it does not need a linear relationship between the dependent and independent variables. Logistic regression can handle all sorts of relationships because it applies a non-linear log transformation to the predicted odds ratio. Secondly, the independent variables do not need to be multivariate normal, although multivariate normality yields a more stable solution. Also, the error terms do not need to be multivariate normally distributed. Thirdly, homoscedasticity is not needed. Logistic regression does not need variances to be heteroscedastic for each level of the independent variables. Lastly, it can handle ordinal and nominal data as independent variables. The independent variables do not need to be metric, either interval or ratio scaled. However, there are some other exceptions still apply. Now let us look at the picture. When we say hello, the machine can understand in a binary language. Binary logistic regression requires the dependent variable to be binary, and ordinal logistic regression requires the dependent variable to be ordinal. Reducing an ordinal or even metric variable to dichotomous level loses a lot of information, which makes this test inferior compared to ordinal logistic regression in these cases. Secondly, since logistic regression assumes that P of y equal to 1 is the probability of the event occurring, it is necessary that the dependent variable is coded accordingly. That is, for a binary regression, the factor level 1 of the dependent variable should represent the desired outcome. Thirdly, the model should be fitted correctly. Neither overfitting nor underfitting should occur. That is, only the meaningful variables should be included, but also all meaningful variables should be included. A good approach to ensure this is to use a stepwise method to estimate the logistic regression. Fourthly, the error term need to be independent. Logistic regression requires each observation to be independent. That is, that the data point should not be from any dependent samples designed. Example, before-after measurements or matched pair. Also, the model should have little or no multicollinearity. That is, that the independent variable should be independent from each other. However, there is option to include interaction effects of categorical variable in the analysis and the model. If multicollinearity is present, centering the variables might resolve the issue that detecting the mean of each variable. If this does not lower the multicollinearity, a factor analysis with orthogonally rotated factors should be done before the logistic regression is estimated. Fifthly, logistic regression assumes linearity of independent variable and log odds. While it does not require the dependent and independent variables to be related linearly, it requires that the dependent variables are linearly related to the log odds. Otherwise, the test underestimates the strength of the relationship and rejects the relationship too easily, that is, being not significant, not rejecting the null hypothesis where it should be significant. A solution to this problem is the categorization of the independent variables, that is, transforming metric variables to ordinary level and then including them in the model. Another approach would be to use discriminant analysis if the assumptions of homoscedasticity, multivariate normality, and options of multicollinearity are met. Lastly, it requires quite large sample sizes because maximum likelihood estimates are less powerful than ordinary least squares. Example, simple linear regression, multilinear regression. While OLS needs 5 cases per independent variable in the analysis, ML needs at least 10 cases per independent variable. Some statisticians recommended at least 30 cases for each parameter to be estimated.